Hey guys, it's Kayla and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be recording a look that I got a lot of questions about. It's my Thanksgiving look that I did. It's super simple. I only use one palette, so everybody going to be able to do it. And then you're going to be like, oh, that's all she did. But I did that. So go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up at the end. And yeah, definitely click that subscribe button though, because I'm at 99 subscribers and a girl want to get to 100, okay? Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so now that our brows are done, it's time for the base. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Baby Skin because your girl has like pores the size of potholes, okay? So gotta use this. And you know my skin oily, so can't be looking like a grease ball out here. See, I'm gonna use my handy dandy Fenty Beauty. I think I'm gonna use this Sigma Duo Fiber brush. All right, now that I brushed all my foundation in, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender to make sure that it's all buffed out and I don't have any streaks. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fun. Because you know this is bae, it has been bae for a minute, so yeah. And I'm also going to use some of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Medium Dark 36. Love this concealer as well. It's a little lighter than Fun, so when these two mix together. All right, so to blend it out, I'm going to be using this Morphe sponge. Y'all, this sponge, you know, I didn't have high hopes because it's like only $6 or $7, but get it. This one, the one with the little edge. All right. All right, so now that's all blended out. I'm gonna set it with some Sasha Buttercup powder, and I'm gonna use the other side of that Morphe sponge. So, if you know me, you know that this right here is going to crease up for me because I don't know, maybe I was cursed. So I'm going to use that powder and just kind of bake right there. What I also do is take a little bit of powder. I hope you can see this. You can. So about this much. Take my little Sigma F30 brush and then I just put this all over my face. Alright, so now I'm gonna wipe this off. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark. And I'm gonna use the same Sigma brush. So now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'm going to use some concealer to prime my eyes. And if you know me, you know typically I don't do face before eyes because, you know, your girl she will mess some stuff up. But this eye look is so simple to me that I'll take my chances. I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. I believe this is a 365 palette right here, okay? So using that color, I'm just going to put it all in my crease so we can start off with that as our transition color. All right, see, cute. Next, I'm going to go into this orange right here. I'm going to put that over that dark brown that we used in the crease. A smaller little brush, a little bit more defined, and I'm still going back into that first brown color that we put down, and I'm gonna put that in the crease just a smidge. For the lids, I'm going to go into right here. The color that I'm going to put over it is this super pretty copper right here. Oh my God, help me. Right here. Look how pretty that is. Yes, honey. All right, now we're gonna go back into that orange. Just make sure that everything's blending. Dust off any fallout. I'm gonna just use this little brush right here in the color that we put in our crease. And I'm gonna wipe it under my eye. Into that orange again. Put that underneath the eye. Today I'm just going to do a little powder contour because it's not that serious. And I have a breakout on the side of my face, so I don't want to do too much. I'm using my Tarte Makeup Shayla Contour Palette. And here I go. I'm going to use some of that Sacha Buttercup powder to clean up my contour. I'm going to go back in with that Sigma brush. Buff everything out. I like this. It didn't go like this. It didn't go like this. It didn't go like this. Something like that. I'm gonna use this MAC Desert Rose blush. Alright, so now that my lashes have been applied, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face before I put on my mascara. So first, I'm gonna set my face using the Mario Badescu. This is the little spray. This is the lavender one. I like this one. And then I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Now I'm gonna do the mascara. Of course, L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And last but not least, the lips. I'm gonna use my ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. I found it. Yes. And then the lipstick, and I'm using today is this Kiss Ultimate Lip Crayon. This color is Dumbo. This is, y'all, watch. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with some gloss. I'm using MAC Oyster Girl. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. Okay, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please press that subscribe button. I just need one of you so I can hit my goal of 100 by the end of the year, okay? Just one. So put me in your group message, copy this link, send it to your friend, press subscribe. And let me know you guys' thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video.